Hi everyone, welcome to Recipes and Vlog with Swati. My name is Swati and in this video I am going to share complete and detailed information about work permit visa in Oman 2021. So what are the basic requirements, what all documents you need and who will initiate this process of applying for your work permit here, and what is the eligibility criteria for applying this work permit. So I will share complete and detailed information, and in case if you find this informative, then make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel and share this with your family and friends. With this, let's start with the topic. So first of all, what is this work permit? So work permit is a kind of grant which is given from the government or from the Ministry of Manpower to the employer who is planning to hire a person from the another country. So it means if you are hiring a person who is a foreigner to the Oman, in that case you need to apply to the government. Ministry of Manpower will issue you a labor permit and then you can initiate this process of hiring a person from the another country. So now let's talk about the nature of this work permit visa. First characteristics is that this visa is valid for 2 years. 2 years start from the date of stamp on your passport, of visa stamp on your passport. From that day onward to the 2 years you are allowed to work in Oman. Second characteristics is that this is multiple entry visa, means you can go back to your country or to another country. In short, you can leave Oman and then come back. So there is no restriction on your entry or exit from the country. You can do multiple entries. Now coming to the requirements, what are the basic things employer or the employee need to fulfill to get this work permit from the government? First, the sponsor must be a local one with full legal competency, means your sponsor should be a local organization, then only they can apply for this work permit visa. Second requirement, the person for whom the visa is requested shall not be below the age of 21 and above the age of 60. Third, the employee gender should be same which was applied at the time of labor permit. So when you get labor permit for a female employee, then in that case the employee should be a female employee. Fourth, profession for which you applied at the time of labor permit, that should also be same. In short, we can say that gender and profession of a person should remain same what you have written or applied at the time of your labor permit. So these are the basic requirements which employee need to fulfill. Now apart from requirements and its characteristics, one another important aspect is its documents. So what all documents you need to attach while applying for this visa? So let's see those documents. First one, 2 photographs, then copy of foreigner's passport valid for not less than 6 months, the Ministry of Manpower's labor permit and copy thereof for every individual application. Fourth is the original and copy of medical certificate. Fifth requirement of documents is copy of approval of the relevant organization, then letter from the Ministry of Manpower for certain occupations. So these are the documents. Those are mandatory to attach while applying for this work permit. Now let's see exception of this whole process. For example, if you are already in Oman and you want to change your employer, in that case your sponsorship should be transferred from your previous employer to your new employer. So in that case you will need to initiate this complete process again. For that I have again shared a video regarding NOC. Means you have to get a NOC from your previous employer so that that sponsorship can be transferred from your previous employer to your new employer from the government. In case if you are interested, you can check that video. I will put that link in description box. So I have shared this complete and detailed information about work permit. If you have any query related to this or any other thing about Oman, you can definitely comment me in comment section, and with this I will see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.